Welcome Cybertruck fans, Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters with another Cybertruck to show off. And this one is a little unique and special. This one has vinyl. This is a vinyl wrap. This is 3M's Satin Thundercloud. It's a really cool blue color. It's got a metallic aspect to it. Not too much metallic, just the right amount. Get it in the sunlight, looks really cool. Early 2024, we did our first Satin Thundercloud, but there's a new blue wave. We're doing more blue Cybertrucks, PPF and wraps, vinyl wraps like this, and I wanted to show you this. The custom graphic on the side here features our new Foundation Series font. We took the Foundation Series logo and we made our own font, A through Z. Now we can custom print out whatever you want it to say, your name, your company, your message, using the Foundation Series font. Looks like a factory option. And of course, this customer has it embossed underneath the vinyl. You could do it on top of the vinyl, underneath. Same with PPF. I like it underneath. It's a really subtle look, but when you get up there, it's intriguing. You can get up there and see it. Let us know what you guys think of that. Okay, it's blue wave time. This is a blue shade on the Cybertruck. There's more coming. We have a bunch of shades of blue to share with you. Let us know what you think. Thumbs up for the blue or for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We've got a lot more Cybertrucks to share with you.